Hello.
Hi,
Could you tell me your name, your company, and your position?
sure. My name is Jeffrey Bielot. I'm a senior program controller with Chenega Systems. I am a financial planner. I plan projects each day in our adaptive planning system. And I also do financial roll-ups for the entire CS program. It's always nice to take some time and talk to other PCs in other companies to see if they're experiencing the same problems that we're experiencing in our program. Other times they might have issues and they might want to come to us and say, how do we overcome this problem? Knowledge sharing is very important. Lessons learned it are also very key, so that we can try to say how to do things and solve problems in a shorter amount of time, so we can go back and support our primary objectives for our company. Very family oriented. We get along very well. If we ever have any outside family events we need to attend, my managers are very helpful in working around my schedule for those rare conflicts that do occur. But it's a wonderful group to work with. I think it's very important. It's always good to expand your knowledge, and training opportunities for either myself or other people I work with are very important, because we can go out and learn new features about our accounting and financial systems. And when we return to the office, we can share that new expertise with other fellow financial people and PCs, so that we can make all of ourselves a lot better going forward. Always be open, always be willing to learn. When you first start out, it never hurts to ask questions. In my mind, there's never a dumb question to ask. And it's just about soaking up knowledge, soaking up the culture, and the environment.